What's up, you guys? HelloFresh is here. It's sponsoring the stream, and I got myself a box. Let's check it out. On the HelloFresh website, we picked out 4 meals, and they sent us 4 recipe kits. Come cook with me as I take you on a journey through my very first HelloFresh meal. Let's go! Let me first start by saying thank you for over 1,000 followers on Twitch, almost 2,000 subscriptions on YouTube, and over 5,000 followers strong on TikTok. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to let me know in the comments. Using the spec sheet provided as a guide, get out your favorite utensils and then we'll prep some veggies. Here's a pro tip from Chef Smirk. If you cut this side instead of the stem side, you won't cry while you cut your onions. Try it out. After we peel, we're going to slice it up, and I'm actually going to dice mine, even though it says here in the instructions to cut wedges. You can do whatever you want. It's your dinner. After that, it's time to move everything to a bowl. This recipe calls for a zested lime and for chopped cilantro. Once all the veggies are prepped, it's time to put the rice in the pot. Once you've got the rice on, it's time to heat up a pan, put the veggies in, and drizzle with some avocado oil. Time to stir it up and get that fresh saute flip going. Oh yeah. Just look at that. Nice. And no good meal would ever taste good if you didn't season it. So put a little pepper and salt in there. Now it's time to cook up the ground turkey. Be careful not to drop it from too high because you will actually splash some hot oil. Once that's cooked and ground up, put it off to the side for a little while. Now this shouldn't be the first time, but it's definitely a good point to wash your hands. Take the extra time to get under your nails and get all the way down to your wrists. It counts. Through the magic of the HelloFresh spec sheet, we're going to turn these peanuts into sugary gold. Let's stir up our vegetables here. That's coming along nicely. Take a look at our rice. Oh, it's almost there. And just get a load of this. Oh, man. In this step, it's time to combine everything. Put the meat in with the veggies, make sure everything's smashed up, and drizzle the sauce. And as good as that looks, it actually needs one thing. Butter. Now, everyone's palate is different, and HelloFresh does offer substitutions on ingredients, and even includes alternate instructions if you decide to go that route. Once the butter's all melted in, we're pretty much ready to serve. Look at that. Now, we've already gotten comments about the bowls, so if you'd like to pick up a set, I'll include the artist's Instagram in the description of this video, as well as how you can get 65% off your first box when you use my code at HelloFresh. It really helps us out, so thank you for all of the support. Just look at that. Wow. I cooked this meal for my wife and our family, and I just had to find out their honest opinions. So let's see how it's going with them. Shall we? And it is going very good. Doug, what do you think about the HelloFresh?
I'm impressed.
I'm
really impressed. It tastes as good. It's delicious, and there's a lot of it. There's more
Good
than
stuff.
we're serving.
The amount of money that we all spend on groceries, some of it does get thrown out, even though you're good at heating up leftovers. This is portioned out, and you know you're not going to have much waste, if any.
And it's good stuff.
Delicious. Very good.
Well, there you have it, folks. Get yourself some HelloFresh today. Operators are standing by.